In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unhide posts from Facebook timeline. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app, then hit at that menu icon. After that, hit at gear icon to open up settings. Then tap at that search box and search for activity log. Here it is. Once you are at activity log page, just scroll down until you find logged actions and other activity. Hit at that arrow icon to expand it, and that's where you can easily find hidden from profile. If you get in here, that will show you all the posts that has been hidden from your Facebook timeline. We can hit at these three dots, and now in order to unhide a post, I can just tap where it says add to profile, and that will unhide that post. And now if I go to my profile, right here, I can find that post that I have just unhide. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.